Here you go. See, this gimbal just follow your direction of taking. I'm just taking the clouds and there's a beautiful sunset. You can see right across. Okay, leave it, and then I want to take up. See, it's not going up. Wow, I love it. Simply love it. This is absolutely amazing videos and everything.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Tasha's World. Today, I'm going to unbox and review this new surprise from FeiyuTech. Thank you FeiyuTech for sending me this gift. And it's called a Vlog Pocket Gimbal. And before we unbox and review this, I'm going to call a person who's always behind the camera and who always takes my video, and it's my dad!
Thank you, Tasha, for letting me in your video. Okay, I would like to thank FeiyuTech again for sending us this gimbal and allowing us to show people how this actually works and unboxing it. So Tasha, before we unbox and see how this is going to work, do you want to tell what is this gimbal used for?
So gimbal is actually mainly about smooth videos, as if you're going to go skiing or snowboarding or having basketball. So it'll have a smooth thing, it won't shake. So that's what's good.
Wow, you're right. So yeah, so gimbal is especially, it has a 3 axes. So it's mainly used for having a smooth videos, especially like motion videos if you have anything. So especially like if someone is playing basketball and you want to just shoot him, or if you have a dog or cat who is in motion and you want to shoot their videos. So it's really used for that, to have a smooth transition of it. And also you can use it for your photos too. If you want to have an amazing still photos, you can still use this gimbal for. So let's before we unbox it, so we get this in 2 colors, the dreamy pink and midnight black. So I think this one is a midnight black one, and let's open and see how this is going to work. Okay,
So now let's unbox the gimbal. As you see, we have a quick startup guide. Here's one page.
it has all the instructions on how to use the gimbal,
And it's a quick start guide.
Yes, and that's what we'll be going through it.
Here's gimbal.
Yes, so as you see, it's so pocket sized and sleek. It's so nice. Even the finishing is really good to look at it. I really like this. So before we go on how we actually use this, let's see what all things we have. So we have a tripod stand.
Yeah.
Okay.
It opens.
So you can use this for just making the gimbal stand, and you can have still photos. The next, you see there's a USB cable for charging.
Right under
Yes.
here. And now here's a little bag to keep the gimbal inside.
Yes. So
I have the
you can even use this gimbal, like you can put it in your pocket.
this.
Yep. So you can use it. You can put this gimbal in your pocket too. It's so small and compact and foldable. So before you start with the gimbal, always make sure you charge it first. As soon as you charge it, the light will turn red, and until it turns green, you need to keep the charging on. So once the light is green, that means that the gimbal is charged and it's ready to use. The charging goes like around up to 8 hours. So once you charge it fully, it goes on for like 8 hours, which is really absolutely perfect for the entire day to use it for. Now this is a foldable gimbal. To unfold it, there's a lock and unlock button. So you have to twist it this way, anti-clockwise direction, to unlock it, so it opens. This is a 3-axis gimbal, which is that makes to have a smooth videos, no shakiness or no upside down or anything. So there are 3 axes. One is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, So make sure that before we actually switch on the gimbal, make sure all these 3 axes are unlocked. So there's a direction here which way to turn it to unlock it. So let's go unlock this one, the second one, and the third one is here. Oops. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, there's also a direction here how to put your phone once you unlock it. So always make sure that this logo V-lock pocket is on the top. So let's put on the phone and see how it does. So
yes, and also you can do a portrait and landscape shot. So this is landscape and this is portrait.
Yes, that's true. So we'll go that in a little bit later. So as we switch it on, we'll see how this actually gimbal turns the portrait mode or the landscape mode. Okay. So all 3 axes are unlocked. Yeah, put the phone. Now it's time to switch on the gimbal. 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Here we go.
So you have to click this power button 2 times to change the mode. Portrait mode and this is landscape mode.
Yes, that's true. That's perfect. So the gimbal is on. Now you can use it. You can just change it in any direction. Okay.
It won't move.
This doesn't move, and let's make it to have a smooth video. We'll actually try it. Go out and try it. How the video actually comes. I'll use this one to see how it actually takes the videos. Okay. And you can have this tripod stand. And just screw it over here. Screw it.
Yes. And just one reminder: only hold it at the bottom, or the bottom will spin off if you hold it on the top. So now you can stand whichever position you want. Portrait mode, and there will be a landscape mode.
Yeah.
And on the back, there will be a restart button. So when you click the restart button,
so that's reset. Okay, that's a reset button. So in case you just change your, by chance this gets changed, the angle gets changed, you just click on this and it gets reset. And the second thing you can use this button for, like you don't want your, you want to have the phone follow you. So in case you want it, it's not, the phone is not following me, it's following the gimbal direction. Even though I change it, it doesn't move. So if you keep this switch on, hold it for a few seconds. So I hold it, now this will follow my direction of having the phone. So see, if I want to take it up, down, it does follow me. If not, now this will follow the gimbal direction. So it's so nice to, you can see how clean and neat it looks. So this is about gimbal. So we'll go out shortly and we'll see how it actually takes those videos. Yeah.
and also one more thing to say is for the things that gimbal do, it is foldable, which we saw, and it's pocketable, which my dad said. Portrait and landscape shot. It's object tracking, tracks the object very clear, and it controls smartphone cameras.
Yes, so for controlling the smartphone camera, we have there's one more button here. This is for connecting, once you connect this gimbal to a Bluetooth, as you click on, you'll switch on the video mode. So you don't need to have to click here, so you just click it here and the video is on and off.
Should we make it to Bluetooth?
Yeah, I think we'll just do it as we go out and we'll take the video. So we'll connect it to the Bluetooth.
Okay.
And we'll see how the video takes. Okay. So let's have some selfie shots. Hey friends, I just came out and I'm holding a gimbal, and I'm gonna show you the test of this gimbal, how it is like take the videos. So I have my camera phone right on this gimbal, and I'm actually right now taking the video out of it, so you can just see how smooth it is. I'm just moving around, I'm just walking and taking a snap. So this is the view of our apartment. Maybe we have a beautiful pond, and there's a waterfall too. So you can see I'm just going straight, you can see the straight line. I'm just moving the gimbal from left to right, so you can see how beautiful it captures the images. Wow, it's absolute stunning. Now as I bend my phone, it goes a little bit downwards, I take it upwards. Beautiful. Now I can't take it up further up, as I told you there is a reset button, and if you hold on to that, it actually follows your direction. So let me go and take the sky. So see, it's not even though I'm putting the gimbal up, it just stick at the same line, so it has a smooth transition. So let me hold that and then take you up. Okay, so let's see right now again. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Hold it and then take it upwards. Here you go. See, this gimbal just follow your direction of taking. I'm just taking the clouds, and there's a beautiful sunset. You can see right across. Okay, leave it, and then I want to take up. See, it's not going up. Wow, I love it. Simply love it. This is absolutely amazing videos and everything. Wow. Right now I'm on the gimbal. You can see Tasha over there. She's making sure that she's maintaining a social distancing, as well as she has everything, gloves and mask on her face. So yeah, so Tasha, you see Tasha, she is, yeah, let's go. Yep, see how smooth it is. I'm walking here, you can see I'm moving my gimbal to just take. Now I'm just pushing that back button, so this gimbal listens to me actually. Okay, follow my directions. So you see I'm moving all over the edges of the pond. So okay, give it the button. Oh, isn't that smooth? Perfect. I really love this. Okay, you see how smooth transition it is. I don't have to worry about, I can move my hand however I want, but this gimbal will make sure that the video, the camera, actually doesn't move, and it's in still position, so it can still take a smooth transition of the videos. That's really nice. I really love this product, and if you want to buy this product, you can see the link in the description section. So until then, see you guys, and I'll just move my video to Tasha's. She has to say something, so let's see.
I just saw my dad's video. It was so nice and smooth, and go ahead and buy it, and I really liked it. So please subscribe right here, click the thumbs up right there, follow me on Instagram above, and until then, see